Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to edit your mockup file and replace it with your own logo. So without wasting much time, let's get started. To do that, we're going to come down to this layer here, this mass object layer, right click on it, then select this edit content. So it opens this PSB file. So the next thing we want to do is to import our own logo. So to do that, just bring in your own logo. For this tutorial I'm going to be using this logo. So this is the logo we're going to be using, and let's just drag and drop it. Okay, so let's use this text as our brand name. Let's change the color of this vector logo. So to do that, just come down to this layer, press Ctrl and click on this box. So it makes a selection of the logo, then press delete. Let's change okay, then come down here. Let's just try to play a little on the logo. Let's select this. Let's see how it looks. So just save it. Yes. Wait for the process to be completed, and then your logo will be ready. Your mock-up logo will be ready. Okay, see what we have here now. See, it has been replaced by our own logo. So that's just the short way of how to edit a mock-up file. You can actually use this style with any mock-up file. That's how it's been done. So if you really enjoyed this video, please drop a comment, like the video, and then subscribe to my channel for more updates about this time.